Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on what the Airport Authority of Jamaica plans to do re the development of Jamaica's airports and aerodromes. Now currently Jamaica has three international airports, but they have quite a few aerodromes around the place. You have one in Portland, you have one in you have one in Kingston, the Tinson Pen. And then you have another one in Negril. Those are the more popular ones. They have more of them around the place, but those are the popular ones. So we're going to go through an article giving more information on what the airport authority or how they plan to further develop Jamaica's airports and aerodromes. The Airports Authority of Jamaica will this year continue work critical to the long-term planning and development of the island's international airports and aerodromes. The entity will maintain oversight for investments being undertaken at the two largest airports, Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston and Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. This with a view to ensuring that targeted improvements in infrastructure and service delivery are attained. With strong international travelers throughout at both with strong international traveler throughout at both airports, passenger flow recovered to pre-pandemic levels during fiscal year 2023-24 and sustained growth is anticipated over the medium term. During 2023-24, Ian Fleming International Airport was marked a significant milestone when it welcomed the inaugural flight of American Airlines. Efforts will continue this budget year to further enhance scheduled flights and expand other services at the airport. Details of these and other AAJ program engagements are contained in the Jamaica Public Body's estimates of revenue and expenditure for the fiscal year ending March 2025. To bolster the expansion of aviation activities at IFIA, the AAJ will also continue initiatives aimed at establishing a fixed base operator and introducing concessions for food, beverage, and other retail services at the facility. The domestic aerodromes are important to the national air transportation network and will continue to be operated and maintained in a manner that ensures compliance with regulatory standards. Consequently, efforts to renovate and enhance the aerodromes to meet these requirements will continue throughout the year. Meanwhile, engagements such as land acquisition and the development of a master plan will be undertaken as part of the ongoing efforts to reinstate aviation operations at Vernon Field in Clarendon. To further support the sustainable growth and development of the air transport sector and Jamaica's economy, the AAJ will continue efforts to facilitate the establishment of a scholarship program to assist with the training of pilots, aircraft mechanics, and airport operations personnel. The entity anticipates that the program will facilitate training of 14 Jamaican youth during the year. AAJ forecasts a profit of 10.5 million from its program activities and a projected increase in their staff complement to 108. The AAJ was established under the Airports Authority Act of 1974 and has a primary responsibility of managing and operating Jamaica's international airports and domestic aerodromes. It plays a pivotal role in advising the government on policy matters related to air transportation. AAJ is committed to crafting a modern, secure, and financially viable airport network through its ongoing long-term planning and development efforts. Sangster International Airport and Norman Manley International Airport are operated under separate concession agreements with MBJ Airports Limited and PAC Kingston Airport Limited respectively. AAJ retains ownership of both airports and has responsibility for overseeing and administering the concession agreements. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. We are actually taking a tour of the Norman Manley International Airport. So let us know what you think about the aviation sector in Jamaica. Now, I think one of the priorities of the AAJ should be to get domestic flights operating in Jamaica again. Now, the aerodromes are there, but we don't have any local domestic flights on a scheduled basis. You can charter a plane for a special event, but we don't have flights running on a regular basis. We don't have a domestic airline service. So although it's good to maintain these airports, I think more should be done to try and get the domestic flights going. I'm sure if it's the AAJ, but they are in charge of the airports, so it's good that they're still maintaining them, and hopefully in the near future we can see domestic flights returning to Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.